Are you looking to integrate professional drone solutions into your business, but feel unsure of how to start or what factors to consider? Look no further than The Drone Life. Our team consists of highly experienced, dependable, and licensed drone professionals committed to safety, quality, and overall client success. Whether you're a newcomer to drone technology, require support for an existing program, or have experimented previously without success, our turnkey approach is designed with your project goals in mind, ensuring a reliable and trustworthy solution. With expert drone services tailored to local, regional, and national companies across a wide range of industries and over 1,500 successful client missions, we manage the entire drone process for you, including piloting the drones, capturing the data, and delivering your valuable insights. Our focused approach to client communication and full transparency is what sets us apart from other drone service providers. We're fully accommodating to your schedule, attentive to all requirements or instructions, and consistently punctual without fail. We offer a comprehensive range of aerial services to meet all of your drone needs, leveraging the latest in drone technology and software to empower your data-driven decisions with confidence. For more information about the Drone Life's aerial services, visit our website, thedronelifenj.com, to speak with an expert today.